All right, here at 7250 Chestnut Street to show you a one-bedroom unit on a third floor. It is inside this building, building A. So you open this door. There is intercom up front, and you open the next door. This is the mailbox. You go to the third floor. I will go up and show you what the unit looks like. Okay, this is 301 inside the unit now. As you could see, it has a beautiful floor, very high ceiling, big living space. You do have these windows for a natural light. This is the view from this angle. On my right, you have your bedroom. Here you have your dining and kitchen area. First, you have this nice closet space here. Built-in shelves. In the kitchen, you have a refrigerator, cabinet space, a gas oven and cooktop, additional cabinet space. You have this door to go to the outside. For a breath of fresh air. Coming back to the unit. Here is the kitchen. Showed you the closet space here you have in dining area. This is the front door. Then going to the bedroom. On my left, you have your huge bedroom. On my right, you have this beautiful bath, a tile floor, a medicine cabinet, faucet, is a toilet here, nice bathtub, shower combo. The place has a radiator heat, as you could see. Beautiful. Here in the hallway, you have two closet space. This is the first one. This is the second. Now go to the bedroom. This is huge bedroom. As you could see, you have two windows for a natural light. This is what unit 301 looks like in Maneuver Court. It's located at 7250 Chestnut Street in Upper Darby, or 0 Garrett Road. This is the living room. Beautiful, beautiful apartment for you to move in. Hope you like the video. Hope you like the unit. Thank you for watching. Bye.